I don't know if you guys, anybody can see me, if the live is streaming, but I'm using NYX pore filler. I'm putting my makeup on real quick today because we're taking my son to Chuck E. Cheese's. This is pore filler. I'm gonna put a little more. This is very thick from NYX pore filler. It's my first time using. Seems like it's doing a great job. I'm gonna do very light makeup. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry while I work on my eyebrows. And I'm gonna use Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm using a NYX brush. The color of this is ebony. Hey Linda. We're taking Dione to Chuck E. Cheese's, so I'm putting makeup on. And I'm going live for like 15 minutes. Hopefully I can do my makeup in 15 minutes. This is too dark. So I'm gonna try to use the Beauty Blender to make it less heavy. Chilidin. Okay, now the concealer might be ready by now. Where did I leave my, okay. I'm gonna use this IT brush from IT Cosmetics. Sephora foundation. I'm gonna mix with IT Cosmetics SPF 50. Even though it's nighttime, it's okay. I'm still gonna use this IT Cosmetics. Has SPF in it to protect you from the sun. I'm gonna put them together in the back of my hand in a tapping motion. I'm going to spread all this. A little bit goes long way. And then when I'm done with this, I'll put makeup on. When I'm done with this, I fix my hair because they're all wet right now. My makeup tonight is gonna be very light. Schminkat pak kan me kont lejta sod. Se biex mos mudok catch il-kura. Little bit of this. Okay, I don't need the rest because this is done. My eyebrows look even darker. Okay, I'm gonna use Marvin from Fashion Nova. Marvin. And I'm gonna use this fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna use this transitioning color. I'm trying to finish this makeup within 15 minutes. Sa jem live, du mi kryp shminkat për 15 minuta. Shpresoj që muj me kry. Pi boj let këtë shminkimin. Tani pi hi me që ngjyrën tjetër pak.
Biex lehet pak sa mos mu do krejt izbeħt. Edhe pak me që të mbylltën, pak. Little bit at the end with this dark, building the corner, the color. Okay. Tash kom imshu pak për funi syve me një brush të vogël. Kjo brusha ju ka fshi edhe unique, ju ka prifshi edhe kjo. I bi pak qësi, pak qësi. Për funi do këtë ma mirë këtë i linë sytë. Hi, Artesa, I love you. I love you, baby, so much. Okay, now kryqje poshtë. Vish me konë njejt. Hooded eyes është problem për foundation. Okay. Okay, tash kom e qitë concealer. Tarte, concealer, tart. Pak qëto. Pak qëto. A little bit of here and there. A little bit of here. A little bit on there. Here. 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 Okay, I'm gonna use this brush. This is from BH Cosmetics, number 5. Edhe kjo të bën mu dok e zgjum. Nuk do kësh e lodhshme, kjo pjesa. Tapping, tapping, tapping. Tu e prek, jo tu e ngrej me brush. Këtë koha e shminkimit shkon to blend. All the time in makeup is blending. That's the most important. Kur kryhet krejt do këtë shumë bukur, tash është like halfway done. When it's all finished, looks all together. Right now looks kind of weird. Tjetërën for concealer kom e përdor Makeup by Mario. I'm using Makeup by Mario. This is his new contour. If you do this crooked, you're gonna have a crooked nose. I always have trouble doing this other side. You see? Via ne bëj gjithë the lining of the jawline because it looks very good. And then the blending part, you use his brush in a tapping motion. And this is buildable. I'm glad I chose the perfect color. You want to go this as high as you can so it looks good. It doesn't look droopy skin. Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. And it blends so well. I don't think I can finish this makeup in 15 minutes. It's already past some time, so we're taking my son to Chuck E. Cheese's for fun.
Okay, now the nose looks contoured. Looks way better. Okay. My eyebrows are too thick. I need to make them way thinner. But for today, it's fine. All right. This is what I use to curl my lashes. I have one other one, Japanese, but I lost it. I don't know where it is. Okay, that looks better now. Okay. Okay, that looks better. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm gonna use False Lashes Lift from Maybelline. I'm gonna hold this side. And I'm not gonna use eyelashes today, falsies, because I don't have time for that. Because it's already late and I need to take my son to Chuck E. Cheese's. Right now, just so you guys know, I did not want to put a filter because I wanted to show you the true color and my true skin as I'm putting makeup on today. Okay. I think this is good. Okay, another thing left is I'm gonna use the translucent powder from the best, Laura Mercier. This is the best product out there. This looks like that. I bought this at Amazon. It's the best thing ever. I invested. Rose and Ben made me buy it. She does beauty videos. Look. And then I'm gonna set this area and look at the difference. And then I just go like this all over my face just to set this makeup quickly, because this keeps a lot of this. Setting makeup is important so they don't, if you're talking to somebody, you don't have your foundation going over their face or their clothes. All right, lips, and I'm done. My eyebrows, they're not perfect today, but it's okay. Okay, for lips, I'm gonna use this. This is Marvin from Fashion Nova. Let's see, it's my first time using this. It's for daylight, but it's okay. I'm gonna keep it on. I don't have time to change it. Okay, for today, I'm done. Thank you for watching, and share this with somebody if you like the video. Bye.